yakuddewo abagirira okutuuka olatukawola olugamba okumaca saawa nnekumi Dawida buli kukidola bange era esibyeko
omuntu akulimba oba omulaba mpaka kati nga tebanabagire securinga
omusajja andiise kina mangu angambye yagiteewo saawa 5 yakudde saawa 4
naye kati soda aba aweddewo
era basigaza omutonotono bali batika mumokanamu zatika nnyo naye kati katona atayatika abaana bali abaana bageze soda mukumaca era omuntu yankudde simu kumaya saa 10 yankulidde muwugene ng'amazina kuba amasasi ga bwerere tena waddewo nanga badde suso okabegyamusiro benamutta
ate esibiramu ezo ziba ziri mu jaamu kala lwa bikuyimirizwa
naye yagiye ekitenge kyakomisaawo ebigiye ekigwawo nakola osala enviiri nga bansalira 15,000 musaluni ey'ebbeeyi nga bakola masaagi buli kimu kale saawa zino ntambula n'enkumi zange ezo naye nombuliddwa nsala enviiri buli wetuka bangamba 15,000 tewali masaagi bikiri kitazikulamu kati ngambe nsi etutwalawa enviiri zange nnyingi nnyo wevuga mulalu naye nagambe sijja zisala paka nga nfunye basali 10,000
abatangamba yagula eribowa ettaka nga siringi ekyali ku nnusu 3 bisatu yagula ettaka eriyo
ewaffe yali mu P7 nga nsomera n'olukola okujobi yasoka nga lyamaanyi nnyo nasomera primary babeni paka kusoma kati netugula ebulenga ku 9 owulirayo kulo 8,000 sente ezo natunakona sista wange nemuko ebankuba muko yali akanisa wano kunabulina akanisa ngajja ne sente nateeka mu kitabo kyali kanyanze kuwandika
yambadde mwezi wati naye kyenekigalabera nawe oyalambalayo sajja ayagala kukola Puma.
Yeah.
Someone lied to me that it's Ugandan Music Association.
No, Uganda Manufacturers Association.
Oh my goodness.
We also have the Uganda Musicians Association. What's happening at the rugby ground? Rugby ground. There is a march, I guess, or they are done with marches.
Oh, and that's in Lugogo Mall.
Yeah, Lugogo Mall. Where we have Chinatown. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Also Carrefour, not Carrefour.
Carrefour.
No.
You guys, how do you pronounce Carrefour?
It's Carrefour.
Carrefour. What the
And that is the Lugogo Cricket Oval.
This is Lugogo Stadium. Is it a stadium or something?
Cricket Oval.
Eh?
Cricket Oval. Lugogo Cricket Oval.
This is where you test your artists if they have grown.
Yeah.
I'd like to get inside and see how it looks like.
I don't know if they open it every other time.
Oh, okay. Unless there is a big concert, right?
Yeah. It's now for concerts, not even for the event, for the like it's supposed to be for cricket. But I've never had any cricket game going on.
The game from India?
Yeah, that one. Where they throw the ball, someone runs after it, another hits it.
It looks more of a hockey.
Indians do good in that sport.
Says it's their game. You can't beat in their own game.
Also South Africans,
Yeah, South Africa, Pakistan.
South Africa does good in that game.
Oh, this is a financial institution, right?
Yes. It's an institution. Oh no, it's an institution with different things, different courses. Political. Yeah.
How do you get to
These are
that?
the apartments of Chipchat.
Stick.
Yeah. Owned by
Where
Sonia.
else did you see something like stick? Was it a oh, the oldest hotel, the
Yeah,
one
yeah.
with 100 years and fight.
Yeah. This is a roundabout. Then where we are heading a civilized junction.
It's a junction.
Yeah.
How did you call it?
Signalized. It has
Signalized.
signal lights. Yes, it has
Oh,
signal lights. Yes, which are the some people call them robots. Whoa! See that speed. Some people call them robots. Others call them
Signal.
traffic lights. Robots. Traffic signals. Whatever.
I see you have a 3D whatever.
Yeah, we have many. We don't have one. We are good people.
That looks cool. Ah, you have paper in Uganda? And the tomatoes?
Yeah, that is their shop. Yeah. The traffic police officers are always waiting for you to fall. They come running. You be like, what is it? Why are you running? Then they have you.
Come from Rife.
So all these are old buildings. They were owned by Chinese, sorry, by Indians.
They even
That's
publish
nice.
in their language. That's insane.
Yeah, that is ignorant.
Oh,
And this Madiban, this Madiban was owned by
so
Madiban.
come here to eat sushi.
Yeah, even by now these ones are on. Yeah, Madiban, who was big in sugar production.
These are all the
See these ones.
This is trolley?
Yeah, we have tronic as well.